In this video, I'll be showing you how to enter recovery mode on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Now, this can be a convoluted process, especially because of the amount of times you need to press the buttons, but once you do get the hang of it, it is quite simple. Now, all you need to do is simply long press on the home button and on the back button until the watch goes off. When it goes off, let go of the buttons and then long press on them again until you see the words rebooting now appearing on your screen. When they do appear, you can now let go of the buttons and then just double or triple press on the home button until you enter reboot mode. From there, you can navigate to recovery mode fairly simply. Now, let's go ahead and do so. You're going to long press on back button, home button, like so, until you turn off the watch. Ignore whatever happens on your watch's face and just continue pressing. Then let go of the buttons and then press again. Now, you will be pressing for a couple of minutes, that is, it does take some time for rebooting to appear. If it doesn't work the first time, you will need to repeat this process. Again, takes some time for you to get used to. So just continue pressing. Continue pressing. Continue pressing. Continue pressing. Then let go, and then your double or triple press. You should be able to see some lined dots appearing on your screen. But other than that, it should now automatically take you to reboot mode. Now, this is how reboot mode looks like. To scroll, you're going to use your buttons. So you can choose to use the back button to scroll down, like so. Or you can use the home button to scroll up. Now go ahead and look for the option recovery boot mode, which is number 2 typically. And then you're going to long press on the home button to select it like so. Now you're going to long press on it until it actually does reboot in recovery mode, and then go ahead for it and wait for it to finish. And once you're in recovery mode, again, you're going to use the same navigation system, home button and back button to move up and down. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.